clutch starts on for the the stock car feature.
Motor Machinist got the green.
Get the green, yep. Grunt is on pole, Jaden Giles, but he moves out wide because here comes Rob Mason up the inside and Burmester. Look around the outside. Byron Rowlands underway. We got one getting spun up there, the 225. Manages to keep it straight though with Taylor Lamb pushing. Rob Mason on the outside. Oh, there he goes round. Now the 225 goes right round. Hamish McGurr, the 51 as well. Oh, you got Brittany Carpenter as well. So the two Gisborne cars. Meanwhile, Rob Mason up the wall. Byron Rowlands leads it. Ahead of Rob Mason, Daniel Burmester, Taylor Lamb, William Humphreys. I don't know what Grunt's done. Oh, there he is. He's on the infield there. He's parked over the pole line there. Jaden Giles is Brent Tinetti's gone round. So the two Gisborne cars have unlatched. Brittany Carpenter and Maul from Gisborne, the 51. Alex Maul go. Oh, Rob Mason, the tank's just not playing ball on this one. He's going backwards real quick. He got, got stopped right in the middle, all right. Byron Rowlands, though, is your race leader. The 97P car leads the race. Ahead of the 172, Daniel Burmester, who's actually, he himself has been tangled up now and out of commission in this one. Daniel Burmester down the far end. So that promotes Taylor Lamb. William Humphreys has now pulled the infield as well. Rob Mason, Paul Nicholson, 559. Bueller place getters at dropping like flies. Byron Rowlands leads it, the 97. Taylor Lamb, the 992. And then we go to, I'd say, the 4P, Tony Whelans as well. Was it Matt Webb? Matt Webb in the 84, sorry. Matt Webb in the 84, ahead of Kyle Rowe and Matt Phippen. Then we got Jack Purcell, the 22.
97, so be a big car.
He's doing a good job out in front too. Taylor Lamb now looks to the bottom of the track to try and get past Brittany Carpenter, the 85 from Gisborne. Byron Rowlands though leading the way. Ahead of Taylor Lamb now. Leon Lamb goes up the inside of Carpenter. Matt Webb is probably a full corner width away from the leaders. Then we go back to Kyle Rowe, Matt Phippen and Jack Purcell and that awesome Hayburn T-Mac. Rowlands is right in that wall out of turn 4. He's got Taylor Lamb up the inside and Lamb will go through to the lead. 992, Taylor Lamb, your lead car now. Rowlands trying to come back on him down there in turn 4. Lamb to the outside, Rowlands to the inside. Just clips a car on the way through, unsettles it, so that allows Lamb to hold on to that lead. 12 laps is the distance here for the stock car feature, brought to you by Motor Machinist. So once clipped the 318, 37 cars clipped the 318. He's parked across the track now himself. Lamb still has the lead. He's in behind Neil Coley in the 38 car. The track's a bit blocked down here in turn 2. Lamb, Rowlands, and we got the Reds. As Lucas Hay just clips the wall there. Rowlands is nowhere to go, and whoa, almost into the mule. Back underway, and Taylor Lamp's the leader. And with no Byron Rowlands, that's actually opened the door that Matt Webb's in second place. Lucas Hay's got some problems here in the 13 car. We've seen a big puff of smoke out the side. White flag, 1 to go though for Taylor Lamb. Won the Robin Pratt Memorial last season in a car that was a couple of weeks old. This car itself was also a couple of weeks old because that car sold really quick. Taylor Lamb is going to take out the feature. 12 points to his name for Taylor Lamb. Make it 24 points. And Lamb wins the feature from Matt Webb in the 84 car. Then we go back to Kyle Rowe, Matt Phippen, and rounding out the top 5, the 22 of Jack Purcell.